Welcome to Lakshmi Academy. Today we will learn how to convert text to uppercase, and the formula is equals upper, and in parentheses you can have text or the reference to the cells. Here I have a data which is in mixed case, so we will see how to convert it into uppercase. Equals upper. When you start typing the formula, Excel will help you to, like, it will give suggestions of the how to write it, and it also gives a definition. Uppercase converts the text string to all uppercase letters. So let's see. Upper, open parentheses, and we want to convert B2, so close the parenthesis, enter. So this Maria White is changed to uppercase. Now you cannot go ahead and write formula for each and every cell, so we are going to copy the formula over. You see this big fat plus sign of the cursor, so you take it to the highlighted cell to the corner, and it changes the shape from big fat plus sign to thin plus sign. When it changes it, you drag it over and the formula is copied over. So we have all this data converted to uppercase. Now you already have the data what you want, so what you would do is you're going to go ahead and delete it. And oops, what happens is you lose all the data, and the reason is, if you go to the cells, the cell doesn't have a data, it has reference to the column B. Like this one is reference to B2, so when it gets deleted, it doesn't have anything to look for, because here what it does is it looks for column B2, cell B2, and it changes the text to proper case. When you delete this, it doesn't have a valid data, and all the cells have the reference to the previous column B. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy the data and paste. When you're pasting, you have different options, like paste it as formula, values. So if you paste it as formula, again it will copy the reference, so you're going to paste it as values. And when you paste it as values, you see here there's a data and not the reference to the cells. So now if you want to delete the original data, you can delete. Right mouse click, delete, and here we have the data converted to uppercase. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe Lakshmi Academy channel on YouTube for more videos.